1. Ethereum. Ethereum, established in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin, has risen to become the second largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. While Bitcoin primarily functions as digital currency, Ethereum 1. Solana. Solana is a relatively new cryptocurrency that has gained significant popularity due to its high-speed transactions and low fees. It aims to address the scalability limitations faced by many blockchain networks, including Ethereum, by utilizing a unique approach to consensus and network architecture. Solana employs a hybrid POS consensus mechanism called Proof of History (POH), coupled with a version of Proof of Stake called Proof of History Stake (POH-Stake). POH introduces a verifiable timestamping mechanism that 1. Cardano. Cardano is a blockchain platform that aims to provide a secure and sustainable foundation for decentralized applications and smart contracts. Developed by a team led by Charles Hoskinson, one of the co-founders of Ethereum, Cardano differentiates itself through a scientific and peer-reviewed approach to its technology. Cardano places a strong emphasis on research and development with an academic-driven approach to ensure the platform's security, scalability, and sustainability. The project's development is guided by a rigorous process involving formal verification and peer-reviewed papers, allowing for a more thorough and principled approach